To configure your connected Steiger to talk to your TopCon monitor for your Bourgault drill, we're simply going to click on our satellite, go to the blue box with the gear. From here we're going to select GPS position output, and we have to put a configuration in. To do this, we do need to name it. So for today, what I will do is I will name this one TopCon. Then, if you are on version 4 or newer, you do need to have a position reference. For this, I'll do receiver location. If you're on older software, it'll automatically default to that. I then need to select my port. My TopCon is plugged into receiver serial port 2, so I will select that. I will enable that port, and I'll set my baud rate at 38400. Then I'll turn my GGA on, set it to 10 Hertz, scroll up, enable the VTG, set it to 10 Hertz as well. Last, I can turn my ZDA on, but I will leave this at 1 Hertz. If you look up at your TopCon monitor, you can see right now I have no GPS. To fix that, we're just going to click my gear, go into System, GPS, Receiver, Receiver type, I'm going to put to NEMA source, my baud rate of 38400 with my reverse control enabled. Now you'll see I have GPS on my TopCon.